Welcome back to my channel, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying the video so far. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about Salesforce again and the functionalities that comes with this amazing CRM tool. And then my question for today: have you ever, guys, wondered who is editing or changing any customization or functionalities on the back end of your Salesforce? Primarily, maybe this is something that person is doing some unsecure things on the back end, or maybe someone is changing and you would like to know who did that. It becomes very crucial, right? Maybe you have like a lot of people working, and then you're trying to find out who did that, like maybe a couple months ago, or maybe you need to provide a report of all changes that are being done for your org. And for that, guys, we're gonna go back to this back end, and then on a quick find you will be looking for view Setup Audit Trail. This is the amazing section or functionality of Salesforce that comes with this tool. And once we click here, you can see every change that happened on the back end, the timing, the date, and I guess the user itself. In this case, it's me. It's my username. You see what type of change and action happened. I changed lead page layout, right? So I did customize leads. If we scroll down, I was playing with some formulas for a couple items, validation rules. I was playing with standard buttons and links on 2nd of February. I was creating some custom objects, enabling feed tracking, and basically this is very helpful, right? Like, because you see what happened. Since nobody is using this org outside of me, that's why you only see my username. The cool things about this part also, on all the way on the bottom, you can actually download those audit trail for the past 6 months, and it comes in Excel CSV format, right? Which is amazing. You can basically import this file to your visualization tool, such as Tableau or any like Power BI. Let's click that. I don't have any like Excel, but I do have this opener with my Apple. See, on the past 6 months I haven't really done many changes, but this org only exists for 2 months, so I don't really have much. Okay, so I hope you guys find this video helpful. Support my channel, share with your friends or people who want to learn and development admin on Salesforce, and join our community of developers and enthusiasts. Thank you.